i35equipment.com. It's a beautiful Oklahoma day. Today we're checking out the JCB JS160 NLC hydraulic track excavator. This is an excellent machine. Has 3 working work lights on the front, 1 on the rear. Hydraulic, solid tine thumb, hydraulic quick attach system, 36-inch bucket. It is legal width for hauling. Still has the factory mirrors, the hand and safety rails, travel arm, horn. Looks and sounds to be running and operating excellent. However, we are not mechanics, and we welcome you to come check it out for yourself and bring your own mechanics or hire some local ones to come to you if you like, so you can have it all checked out. We're open by appointment only, so give us a call, get on a calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share an address to several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best hauling rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine has good power, good reach, which is what you're looking for to get the max out of without having to go up to a permitted load. So real nice, lots of great features. Full cab, cold working air conditioning, radio, switchable control patterns. That hydraulic thumb would be great for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading concrete, just about anything else. Seems to be a real tight machine. That is the JCB diesel motor. All right, we're gonna take a look around, check out the motor, all the components, thumb and all that. Then lastly, we'll end up in the operator station and take a look around in there. Nice big 36-inch bucket, 5 teeth. There's that solid tine hydraulic thumb. This part's all solid, a lot heavier duty. It is pin-on style. Hydraulic quick attach system there. So if you need to change out buckets, you can do that without even having to get out of the cab. Super convenient. Got storage under the step here. Hard to do with one hand. Let me get that open. Super convenient for climbing up and on, having the side entrance there. Turntable pump. Glass all looks good, really clean. Looks to be well serviced. No blow-by whatsoever. Wasn't expecting any, but in case you were wondering, fluids all looks really good on it. Johnson pre-filter on. Let's turn the dust out. Still got all the mirrors on here. Good glass and good mirrors. Leads me to believe it's been well cared for. It's not been beat up. Check out the undercarriage while we're standing here. Well, it's excellent to my eye. Serviced out at 1788, hydraulic fluid was camera there with the work light on top of it. Looks like it's got all the plates. And it did rain here hard last night, but I've not noticed any sort of oil leaks or issues. Like I said, it does have switchable control patterns. That's all done in the computer up front. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Like I said, welcome you to come out. We're open by appointment only though, so just give us a call, get you on the calendar. Happy to meet you. Glass looks good, working windshield wiper, factory JCB seat, and JCB rubber floor mat. Let's go ahead and check out this radio real quick. Working radio. Okay. Nice. All right. HVAC, nice, cold working HVAC. Should be a horn. Let's again, 1986 hours, no codes, no issues. Go ahead and flip the safety switch so I can just show you. Oh, it's a double lock system, double safety. So you gotta flip this one down. You also have to hit the lock button over here. You got hydraulic thumb control with operator's foot, or you can use the right. I thought it was right. It's the left-hand joystick that does thumb as well. So it's up to you. You can either use foot pedal or this one here. Throttle, work lights, windshield wiper, hydraulic quick touch buttons are back here. In case you're wondering, to change the, let's see how proficient I am with this. To change the control patterns, you can go through here, select the little hand, scroll down, go to ISO, select it, swap over to SEO, and hit the enter. We like ISO, so we're going to leave it there. But just a little helpful tip. You can see all the information here. Everything looks real good. No code showing, no check engine lights, no issues. But like I said, why can't you come check it out for yourself? The only thing I did want to check before we go is verify that we had the dual speeds, and I think he did that for us, so let's just check it out real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and go forward. That should be routed as it shows there. Go ahead and hit it down. That's just this gear button right there. Yep, working 2-speed. You can feel it really kick up there. That's it, guys. Seems like everything's working on it. Welcome you to come to inspect it for yourself. As always, see our phone update inventory equipment online, www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.